Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today, let's get started with the question I have today from my audience. So the question is, I have been running. So let me even correct your question. I have been running Performance Max campaign, no feed. It's around 7 days complete. I have not received single conversion. Can anyone suggest what should I do? Okay, so good question. Okay, for those running Performance Max campaigns or the bidding strategy of maximize conversions, for these two, I have been consistently saying that they do not work unless and until you got a converting data for you. Unless and until you are getting conversions, you do not need to use on Performance Max or maximize conversions because you are going to end up wasting your money. So my recommendations: do not opt for Performance Max unless and until you have data. You can do the standard shopping campaign, run with manual CPC, maximize clicks, then bid impression share, and then eventually once we start getting conversions, then we can move up for maximize conversions, or we can shift our campaign to Performance Max. But you know that Google AI algorithm based AI works on conversion, so they will try to figure out. So yeah, it's possible that you can suddenly get starting conversions, but it can take more time. I'm not saying that this won't work at all. They may work, but it may take a lot of time. Now, to shorten the time, to make things quicker, I recommend you to offer the maximize conversions, get some data, so Google can understand what exactly is working well for your business, how you're getting conversions, what kind of people are buying your product or service, or filling out the leads. Then you can eventually move to Performance Max or the maximize conversion strategy. So for right now, I recommend you shift back to standard shopping campaign or a search campaign and see what kind of keywords are working well for you. Do the comparative research and then move on. But in case if you still need a professional help, me and my team can do a professional audit of your Google Ads account. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we can look forward on what is the issue with your account, on what strategies your competitors are doing. We can also help you with the landing page suggestion optimization, and thus helping you in creating a great Google Ads campaign which can generate you amazing amount of revenue and conversions. So yeah, I hope this answers the question. But in case if you still need a professional help, again I told you how you can hire us. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.